Welcome back to Crypto Explainer, the channel where we simplify the crypto world one video at a time. If you're a developer looking to supercharge your token's visibility or an investor curious about cutting-edge tools to maximize your impact, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into the crypto universe. In today's competitive crypto market, standing out can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. With thousands of tokens launching on platforms like Pump.fun every day, how do you ensure your token doesn't just sink to the bottom? The truth is, visibility is everything. Without it, even the most promising projects can go unnoticed. This lack of visibility can lead to lower engagement, reduced trading volume, and missed opportunities. But don't worry, there's a solution. And today, we're diving into a game-changing tool that's helping developers and traders ride the waves of visibility. Plankton.cash's advanced bump bot services. Enter Plankton.cash, the ultimate platform designed to boost your token's visibility and impact. Whether you're launching a new token or trying to climb the ranks on Pump.fun, Plankton.cash provides powerful tools to ensure your success. Let's break it down. Number 1. Bump Bot Visibility Made Easy. The Bump Bot is the cornerstone of Plankton.cash's services. By automating microtransactions as low as 0.00004 sold per trade, the bot keeps your token active and consistently visible on Pump.fun's leaderboard. This visibility ensures your token stands out, drawing in potential traders and investors who are always on the hunt for trending tokens. Ready to start? Check the description below for the link to the Bump Bot and get your token trending today. Number 2. Supply Control Bot. Maximize profits, minimize risks. Visibility is key, but so is market control. Enter the Supply Control Bot, a must-have tool for developers serious about managing liquidity, reducing oversupply, and stabilizing their token's market presence. With this bot, you can distribute tokens across multiple wallets effortlessly and execute trades with ease and precision. Want to control your token's market like a pro? Find the Supply Control Bot link in the description and get started now. Plus, we got FAQs and tutorials to guide you every step of the way. Number 3. Referral Program. Earn while you scale. Plankton.cash doesn't just empower developers, it rewards them. Promote the Bump Bot or Supply Control Bot and earn through our generous referral program, sharing a significant portion of the service fees. Join the referral program today and start earning. All the details are in the description below. Number 4. Upcoming tools, innovating for traders. Plankton.cash is constantly evolving to meet the needs of crypto developers and traders. Exciting new tools like the Volume Bot and Moonshot Bump Bot are in development, designed to make your trading journey easier and more effective. Stay tuned for updates. Plankton.cash is committed to keeping you ahead in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Why choose Plankton.cash? 3,500 plus users. Join a growing, thriving community of developers and traders using one of the first tools for Pump.fun success. Lowest fees. Enjoy 5x lower fees for both the Bump Bot and Supply Control Bot, ensuring maximum profitability. Easy setup. Start in minutes with a seamless Telegram-based system. No technical expertise required. Proven reliability. Built by one of the first movers in the Pump.fun ecosystem, trusted by thousands of users. Need help? Plankton.cash offers full support, FAQs, and tutorials to make the process as smooth as possible. If you're ready to take your token to the next level, Plankton.cash is the partner you need. From boosting visibility to controlling supply and earning through referrals, our tools empower you to stand out in the crowded crypto market. Don't let your token get lost in the shuffle. Start riding the waves of visibility today with Plankton.cash. Thanks for watching this video on Crypto Explainer. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth videos about the tools, strategies, and innovations shaping the crypto world. Check out our channel for more content that'll keep you ahead of the curve. See you next time, and happy trading!